the hotel in Chiba. In the big scheme of things, this is actually what's called a big hotel room in Tokyo. The lights in Japan are always really pretty at night time, aren't they, Denzo?
Yeah.
That's to distract these people from their lifestyles and go, ooh. All right, we've made it to Chiba. I got here early and slept. Graham made it later, and Denzo's finally got here with a hire car.
Yeah, I've got a hire car. I haven't had much sleep, but tomorrow I'll be sick.
Hectic. So
I'll be sick.
basically, Denzo's saying he's old and he's too tired right now to do anything funny.
Yes.
Look how dumb it all is. You can win little girl stuff in there. Look, what do you win? You can win a chapstick.
I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing except for $50.
Give me a lesson. What's the most disgusting thing?
Well, it depends. That's vitamins. Corn pottage soup. That's good when it's freezing cold and you're at the Drifters or something like that.
All right, we've discovered something that I wish I had knew in 2006 when I came here. Google has a translator app that not only does voice or typing, but if you actually hold your phone up with the camera on, it can translate live like this. Denzo has found a McDonald's. We're all good now. Terry jealous versus popular no. The was to determine the jealous 10 scanned the Mac reservoir fence. All right, our Japan trip starts now. Most of us had pretty much bugger all sleep for like a day and a half. So our first night in Japan was pretty tame, so we could all recover. And now it's time for things to get serious. Denzo should be here in the car. I heard he got something pretty awesome. In fact, I heard he got something so good that I won't be able to contain my excitement. But the truth is, the car's barely bigger than him. All right, where are we going first? All right, I have to inform you, if you get caught filming in up garage, they kick you out and they get very upset. So I'm gonna have to like hide my GoPro in my jacket and be very careful. Check out the GTR tag.
That's cheap.
Hey?
Spastic idiots the prices they want. 400,000 yen for Nismo wheels. You know why? Nismo's GDR, extra tax. What about this drifter spec? Mate, it's not just in Australia, it's all over the world now. Wankers, like even that jacket you're wearing, like $10. What do you want for it? 500. You know why? It's got GDR on it, it's got Nismo on it.
So now we've got
GDR
tax, Japanese car tax,
ridiculous,
bad yen tax,
and
actual tax,
fat wanker tax.
Fat wanker tax.
Yeah.
And then you've still got Nismo tax on Nismo parts.
Oh mate, anything Nismo with the N on the front, it just starts building. It's like the friggin' stock market in reverse.
You know, 20 years ago, all I did was dream about going to an up garage with,
now you dream about donuts, hot dogs and chips.
And now I just dream about wishing it was 20 years ago and I'd gone then instead, because a lot has changed, my friend. A lot has changed.
20 years ago, I used to come out the back here and used to rummage through all their stuff, and the dude would come out and go, "What are you doing?" And I'd go, "I'm looking for crap." And I'd find killer wheels that they haven't washed and put inside yet. That dude's in a hurry, needs to have a fog. And I'd find killer wheels, and they were cheap as because they hadn't cleaned them or tagged them or displayed them yet, and get them for $1 and I'd sell them to you idiots for massive cash.
There is a JMS in Japan.
They stole our name, wankers. Joyful Honda des!
What?
Joyful. When is a Honda joyful? When VTEC kicks in, bro.
We're at Crystal at 12 and they're closed, but they've got a heap of stuff outside and a door open to the storeroom. It basically is saying a trap. Come and steal our stuff. This place called K's, and it's just, what is it, like a Target? A Woolworths? A Myer? What were you saying about words that are offensive? Is if they're gayer wheels?
Yeah, these are actually gayer wheels, gayer racing wheels, so nothing's offensive that comes out of my mouth.
So we've gone from up garage, which is second-hand, mostly junk, to Crystal, which is all new, but I guess not junk.
Very, very expensive.
All right, here's a fun fact about Nismo arms. They're exactly like factory, except they have a rubber bush in it.
I just thought they were silver with Nismo on them, so they charge you 10 times the price of them.
Bit of old school T88 34D. Truss manifold, split by core packs, Greddy inlet manifold, Greddy fuel rail. Only an IFOVU block. Wait, what's going on?
We're at Crystal Auto. Hawkins decided he wants to buy all this Nismo crap, and the cockhead has asked them for discount, and we've been here for half an hour. They're trying to work out whether they can give him $1 discount. But it's cost us like $5 grand in time because we're waiting here all friggin' day and we've got other crap to do. Stupid fat idiot owes us lunch now, don't you?
They're still going, 4 of them. Right, so Crystal was like closed when we got here. I said I wouldn't buy anything, but now I bought Nismo carbon fiber rear mirror discs.
Very useful!
That does nothing, that is pure wank. But what's not wank is I bought engine mounts that were actually quite cheap.
Yeah.
A radiator cap, which was really cheap. A magazine. And yeah, so some stuff was actually cheaper. Like cheaper than what I could find on eBay or anywhere in Australia. So I did all right.
Everything I wanted they didn't have because they are shit desks! 3.5 k's away. Top secret desks!
Denzo, what have you found on the side of the road in Japan?
Driving down the road, going to Super Auto Cracks, and we found this goat in a paddock eating grass with one horn. There he is. The 20-year game. The 20-year game is 20 years ago, you'd come to Super Auto Backs and you'd see killer drift cars, VIP cars, GTRs, you'd see killer crap everywhere. 20 years later, you come back, what's changed? You see gay Priuses done up like that. It's green, slammed, cambering off its lips. What's it good for? Nothing. You know why? Because it's a homo's car. Buying air fresheners because I want my car to smell Japanese.
Go.
Shinkansen horn. It's like you only want to do a quick beat, just stick going. Double this.
I don't know, these brakes aren't very stealth when they're bright purple. So, like most workshops in Japan, Yashio factory is just a shed with a bunch of crap in it.
Car parts all over the ground and
yep.
Unfriendly staff, but he did have some cool Sylvias there.
All right, we made it. We're at the Hard Rock in Roppongi for the RWB Meet that they have here every year on the Thursday night before Autosalon. Denzo, you haven't been to this, have you?
How you going, cockheads?
You haven't been to this, have you?
No, never been to it because I found out this was on because of Wank Book. Well, he's got jumpers and stuff.
Yeah.
Has he got extra fat sizes? Hopefully.
Wait, we're vlogging and you're here now. Did you know that? You've gone quiet and mute. Someone get him a drink. All right, we're in the middle of Roppongi, and what do I find? A kebab shop.
He wants you to try it for free.
Happening.
We're at the RWB party in Roppongi.
Yep.
So, as you can see, tons of Porsches. Quite a lot of Asians here. give you a hot tip.
What's your favourite one, Denzo? Is it ones over here your favourite?
Well, I'll tell you what isn't my favourite. These convertibles, because they're probably more suitable for the LGBT community. That real big fat one there. The one with the most horsepower, the noisiest one. And the one that you can actually thrash, not one that can't get over any speed humps.
Some little car park in Japan and an after-before GTT has a plasma man inlet manifold, Aussie parts. What are you doing, Denzo? Oh! What? Is that what I think it is?
Friggin' 3,000 yen.
We just got charged full-blown Sydney City prices to parking. Like $40 to park. Are you serious?
I hope you enjoyed yourself.